Hello, beautiful beings. Welcome to the wonderful world of yoga. Are you ready to feel stronger, calmer, and more connected to your body? Then grab your mat and let's begin this incredible journey together. Yoga is for everyone, no matter your age, flexibility, or fitness level. It's a practice that meets you wherever you are and helps you blossom into the best version of yourself. In this essay, we'll explore simple steps to start your yoga practice. Get ready to experience the transformative power of yoga. Let's dive in. Why is everyone talking about yoga? Because it makes you feel amazing inside and out. Yoga is like a magical elixir for your body and mind. It's a powerful blend of movement, breathing exercises, and mindfulness, all working together to enhance your well-being. Regular yoga practice can increase your flexibility, strengthen your muscles, and improve your balance. It can also reduce stress, calm your mind, and boost your overall mood. Yoga is not just about fancy poses. It's about connecting with yourself on a deeper level and cultivating inner peace and harmony. Ready to experience the magic? Let's get started. Good news. You don't need much to start your yoga journey. A little goes a long way. First, find a comfortable and quiet space in your home where you can move freely without distractions. Next, grab a yoga mat. It provides cushioning and grip, making your practice more enjoyable. No mat, no problem. A soft carpet or towel will work just fine. Wear comfortable clothing that allows you to move easily. Think stretchy pants, a loose-fitting top, and bare feet. That's it. You're all set to begin. Before we dive into the poses, let's gently warm up our bodies with some simple movements. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, feeling your chest rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. Next, circle your shoulders forward and backward, releasing any tension. Gently roll your head from side to side, lengthening your neck muscles. Now, let's awaken our spines with some gentle twists. Place your hands on your hips and twist your upper body to the right, then to the left, keeping your core engaged. Feel the energy flowing through your body as we prepare for our yoga practice. Section 5. Mountain Pose. Finding your center, step by step. Our first pose is mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. It's the foundation of all standing postures and a powerful way to improve your posture and balance. First, stand tall with your feet together, big toes touching. Ground down through all four corners of your feet. Next, lift your kneecaps by engaging your thigh muscles. Lengthen your tailbone towards the floor and gently draw your belly button in towards your spine. Then relax your shoulders away from your ears, keeping your chest open and your heart lifted. Extend your arms alongside your body, palms facing forward. Feel the energy flowing from your fingertips to the crown of your head. Finally, breathe deeply and hold the pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling grounded and centered. Section 6. Downward Dog, a gentle inversion for strength and flexibility. Downward Dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a rejuvenating pose that stretches your entire body while building strength. First, start on your hands and knees in tabletop pose, with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly through your palms. Relax your head and neck, gazing towards your feet. Keep your spine long and avoid rounding your back. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, pedaling out your feet if it feels good. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. There's Section 7. Child's Pose, your haven of rest and relaxation. Child's Pose, or Balasana, is a restful pose that gently stretches your back, hips, and thighs. It's a wonderful way to release tension and find a sense of calm. Start on your hands and knees in tabletop pose. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels, or as close as you can comfortably get. Fold forward, resting your belly on your thighs. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down. Rest your forehead on the mat or on a blanket. Close your eyes and surrender to the pose, breathing deeply and relaxing completely. Hold for as long as you like. Section 8. Breathing with awareness, the heart of your practice. Breathing is an essential part of yoga. It helps to calm the mind, connect with the body, and deepen your practice. Throughout your yoga practice, pay attention to your breath. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your breath to guide your movements. Try practicing Ujjayi breath, a gentle breathing technique that helps to focus the mind and calm the nervous system. To practice Ujjayi breath, slightly constrict the back of your throat as if you're about to whisper "ha." Maintain this slight constriction as you breathe in and out through your nose. Remember, your breath is your anchor. When you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to your breath. Section 9. Your yoga journey, a lifelong path of discovery. Congratulations on taking the first step on your yoga journey. Remember, yoga is not about perfection. It's about progress, self-discovery, and finding joy in the present moment. Start with a few minutes of practice each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel stronger and more confident. Listen to your body and honor its limits. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Every time you step on the mat, you're giving yourself the gift of self-care and well-being. Namaste and happy practicing.